Hey everyone, this is our 2002 Toyota Landcruiser, one of the excellent 100 series editions of the cars. This one was bought on Bring a Trailer in 2021 and we are reselling it as we have a couple more 100 series in the collection now, and this one's got to go. We bought it with just under 54,000 miles. It is now showing just under 57,000 miles. I added about 1,300 of those miles myself, driving it from Southern California up to Tacoma, Washington. This is a lifetime California car. The undercarriage shows that, as does the rest of the condition of the car. However, when we received the car back, we did notice some either misrepresentations or not full truths that the previous seller left us with. And in our 120-point inspection at Griots Motors, we started with getting up to date on basic Toyota maintenance. So we sent it to Toyota, where we did timing belt, water pump, full fluid flush, CV joints. The fluids included coolant, transmission, oil, and front and rear diff. Once again, on recommended maintenance for these 100 series, it's generally mileage or years past, and it had been some time since those systems had been updated. So this thing is ready to go for another 10 years, 100,000 miles on a lot of those major systems. Back at Griots Motors, we did a little bit more maintenance, including replacing the front and rear shocks, putting in a new battery, putting in a new AC compressor and recharging it, and new tires. Falcon, Wild Peak, all-terrains. They're excellent tires. They're on one of our other 100 series, and we love them because of low road noise. One of the biggest misrepresentations of the previous auction was the paint condition. We're paint guys here at Griots Motors first and foremost, and the hood had definitely been glazed as a way to hide the surface defects on the previous auction. And so when we tried to polish it, we realized we're gonna have to add some paint back to this. There were burn marks on the side from a rotary polisher and really damage we could not fix without substantial paint removal. So we were able to minimize those and then respray and cover the black with a clear coat. However, the balance of the car is the original black single stage paint from Toyota. The interior is the chateau leather. It is absolutely immaculate, as you would expect with such low mileage. And we did a full interior and exterior detail on the car as well. We removed the bull bar and the running boards, just an aesthetic preference of ours, which will come with the car, along with a set of original floor mats as well. The only other interior thing we did was to replace the focal speakers, or replace the front speakers with a set of focal speakers. Major upgrade there. And all of the little warts that generally accompany these 100 series, such as the gear shift indicator LED light, they're still functioning. This car is in excellent condition. We've brought it up to snuff with regards to service and the aesthetic. It is ready for hundreds of thousands of more miles and the next happy owner. Thank you for watching. Good luck if you're participating in the auction.